Would you like to know how I use castor oil to shed 60 pounds of belly fat? That's right, you heard me, castor oil. If you have excess belly fat, then you have inflammation. Doctors have associated belly fat with disease. They have observed that there are fat cells inside the abdominals that are secreting molecules that actually increase inflammation, which, by the way, inflammation is a natural process of the body to protect itself from harm. Being 60 pounds over normal body weight for me, that was a threat. That was a harm that my body signaled as, oops, inflammation, and then bam, belly fat. Having, getting, and maintaining a flat belly can be a nuisance, but not with these 3 methods of using castor oil to get that belly flat, flat, oh so flat. Let's go into the kitchen. Do know that caution should be taken when using this method. First, finish your last meal at least 3 hours before you do this. Brew yourself a strong cup of ginger tea with lemon. Now don't chicken out on me. Get ready for this. You will need to put on your big girl pants for this, but you can do it, okay? You're going to take 2 to 3 teaspoons of organic castor oil, hexane-free castor oil, okay? Now, if you are worried about ingesting castor oil and whether or not it is safe, all you need to do is take a stroll down the cooking, baking aisle in any ethnic store, and you will see right next to the olive oil, the coconut oil, the grapeseed oil, they have castor oil. Castor oil is safe for ingesting if done safely, reasonably, and with some supervision. So, okay? Take your 2 teaspoons of castor oil. Big girl pants, we can do it, big girl pants. Follow that by drinking the ginger lemon tea. Ooh, I need some more of that. The warmth of the liquid and the ginger and the lemon, or limes if you use those, all have medicinal purposes in that they help to break down and cut the fat that is in the oil so that it can actually go into the cells, the body, and do the things that it needs to do. Depending on how impacted you are, this effect should kick in within 4 to 6 hours. Do not say I did not tell you that once it starts, you can expect to go to the bathroom at least 2, maybe thrice times. This will absolutely clean you out. I am not a doctor, but under the guidance and supervision of my healthcare practitioner, this is something that has been recommended for me that I do once every 3 months in order to keep everything nice and clean up in there, especially because I'm dealing with IBS and just hormonal issues and all of those things. And Unfortunately, I've yo-yo dieted, and all of those things just mess up the hormones in your body's ability to do what it needs to do. I will do this maybe if I have been really out of sorts with my eating and just lifestyle living, then I might do this once a month for just a few months, and then I stop in order to give my body the ability to do what it needs to do to learn how to heal itself naturally without all of these other things. This first method, this is hardcore. I have 2 ways that are way less yucky and way less hardcore. Also, please do not rely solely on this method. This is a nice boost to give to your internal system, to your colon, to cleanse everything out so that you can start fresh, but you should not rely on this. You will find that eating and exercise properly will help you to maintain any belly fat loss without ingesting castor oil like it's Kool-Aid. We can bypass the oral route with the second way that I use castor oil to achieve my flat belly overnight with a good old-fashioned castor oil pack. Right before bed, take some castor oil, have some here next to my bed, keep it there, and you're going to take this and you're going to rub it all over your belly. Cover your belly with a wool or flannel cloth, followed by plastic wrap over that, and then wrap yourself up, your belly up in a towel, and go to sleep. The video here goes into more details and offers other ways that you can use this particular method for even bigger results. Bet you didn't know this little small bottle could do so much belly goodness. If you love these easy flat belly tips with your time and your hormones in mind, and you want more to achieve a flat belly, be sure to join the community. Third way to use castor oil for a flat belly is my lazy girl way. Let's just face it, castor oil, it doesn't taste good at all. Even when you mix it with milk, juice, or any other beverage, it's nasty. It's nasty as doing the belly mummy wrap with the cloth and going to bed. As easy as it is, it can feel like a lot of work after you've put in time on the job or with the kids or just the whole hormones of it all. Like, I'm tired, I don't want to do anything else, I just want to sleep. This lazy girl way, because I like and love waking up with a flat belly. It makes me feel extra cute. Then the lazy girl way, that is my trump card when needed. All you need to do is simply place a few drops of castor oil on your fingertips and then gently take it and massage the inside of your belly button. It works. If you ate ridiculously crazy earlier in the day, then 2 applications. As a bonus, do this easy 1-minute belly toning exercise. So there you have it. All of my wonderful secrets made so simple. I'm so glad I get to share these awesome tips and my journey with you every week. Until next time, eat well, stay active.